Hello viewers, 4DIYers here with another video for everyone. In this video here I'll be showing you how to replace the third brake light bulbs on a Honda Pilot. This is a 2011 model and this light is located at the hatch above the rear window. As you can see, there is a bulb burnt out and these must be functioning in order to pass a safety check to make the vehicle legal for the road. Using a small standard screwdriver, remove the two caps covering the screws. There will be a small notch where you can slip in that small standard screwdriver and pop out that cover. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove the two Phillips screws, one on each side. Use a clean cloth to place around the light so it doesn't scratch the paint. Pull the light out and face it up to gain access to the rear. Then remove the two Phillips screws holding on the bulb assembly. Be extremely careful. With age, the plastic becomes brittle and you can break off the fitting for the rear washer nozzle. I unfortunately did this and was able to fix it with some super glue. Once the screws have been removed, pull out the bulb assembly. As you can see, there are 5 bulbs in total here. Grab onto the bulb and pull it out of its location. Here's the bulb. It requires a 168 as a replacement. As for the washer nozzle fitting, I removed the black plastic retaining clip and then pulled out the broken fitting from the center. Some super glue will be applied to the fitting so it dries for a couple hours before the reassembly. Now install the new bulb. Then turn the brake light on to ensure everything is working correctly. Reinstall that light bulb assembly back in place. Reinstall the Phillips screws and tighten. As mentioned a moment ago, I already glued the fitting back into place. Reconnect that connection and ensure it snaps into place. Make sure the area around the light is clean and then install. Install the two Phillips screws and tighten. Reinstall those plastic caps. They fit in one orientation. A final test can be done to ensure it is all working correctly once it's back together and you're officially done. New videos released every week on my channel. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button. It's a huge help to me, and leave a comment below if you found this tutorial helpful. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to also hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.